Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee. With less than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Grand Cherokee keeps you safe, connected, and entertained while you explore your world in confidence and refined luxury. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, satellite radio, remote engine start, heated mirrors, fog lamps, backup camera, electronic stability control, heated front seat, aluminum wheels. Experience the freedom of off-road exploration in the Grand Cherokee. Take a test drive today.